Welcome back to my channel Impart Math Knowledge. This video is about correlation. Correlation is the relation between two or more variables. Example, income and expenditure, height and weight of group of persons. Types of correlation. First one, positive correlation. It is a relationship between two variables in which both the variables move in a same direction. When one variable increases as the other variable increases, or one variable decreases while the other variable decreases. The diagram shows that when x value increases, y value also increases. Example, the more you will exercise, the more you will burn calories in your body. Second one, negative correlation. It is a relationship between two variables in which an increase in one variable is associated with a decrease in the other. The graph shows that when x value increases, y value decreases. Example, the price of gold increases, its demand will decrease. Third one, no correlation. When there is no relationship between two variables, we call it as zero correlation or no correlation. Example, there is no relationship between smoking habit and the level of intelligence. Properties of correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient is denoted by the symbol R. It always lies between -1 and +1. That is, the coefficient of correlation cannot take values less than -1 or more than +1. Coefficient of correlation are independent of change of origin. That is, if we subtract any constant from all the values of x and y, it will not affect the coefficient of correlation. Coefficient of correlation possesses the property of symmetry. Coefficient of correlation is independent of change of scale. That is, if we divide or multiply all the values of x and y, it will not affect the coefficient of correlation. Coefficient of correlation measures only linear correlation between x and y. If two variables x and y are independent, coefficient of correlation between them will be 0. Methods of studying correlation. Scatter diagram method. The simplest method to find the relationship between two variables is to prepare a dot chart called scatter diagram. In this method, we plot every pair of values in the form of dot on a graph. And we get as many dots as the number of observations. From this scatter diagram, we can form an idea whether the variables are correlated or not. Second one, call Pearson's coefficient of correlation. R is equal to n into sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y by square root of n into sigma x square minus sigma x whole square n into sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. I am going to explain correlation coefficient with a simple example. Here x represents family income, y represents family expenditure. Let me frame the table. X, y, x square, y square, xy. X values are 28, 34, 41, 57, 52, 68, 62, 75. Summation x is equal to 417. Y values are 14, 18, 23, 28, 30, 34, 37, 41. Summation y is equal to 225. Now x square value, 28 square is 784, 34 square is 1156, 41 square is 1681. 57 square is 3249. 52 square is 2704. 68 square is 4624. 62 square is 3844. 75 square is 5625. After finding x square, you have to take the total. Sigma x square is equal to 23,667. Find y square. 14 square is 196. 18 square is 324. 23 square is 529. 28 square 784. 30 square 900. 34 square 1156. 37 square 1369. 41 square 1681. After finding y square, you have to take the total. Summation y square is equal to 6939. Find xy. 28 into 14 is 392. 34 into 18 is 612. 41 into 23 is 943. 57 into 28 is 1596. 52 into 30 is 1560. 68 into 34 is 2312. 62 into 37 is 2294. 75 into 41 is 3075. After multiplying x and y, we have to find summation xy. Summation xy is equal to 12,784. Substitute all these values in Cole-Pearson's coefficient of correlation. R is equal to, n value is 8. Sigma xy is 12,784 minus sigma x is 417. Sigma y is 225. Square root of n is 8. Sigma x square is 23,667 minus sigma x is 417 whole square. Square root of n value is 8. Sigma y square is 6,939 minus sigma y whole square is 225 square. Simplifying this, we get 102272. 8 into 12,784 is 1,02,272 minus 417 into 225 is 93,825 by square root of the first term is 124.28596. Square root of the second term is 69.73521. R is equal to 0.9746. I clearly explained the definition of correlation, types of correlation, properties of correlation. Along with it, I discussed Cole-Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.